Hi friends, welcome to the IQ Brain. In this video, you will check your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey viewers, can you find the 39 within 15 seconds? Time is over. Hey, find out 42. Wow, you are genius. Test your eyes, find the given number within 15 seconds. Come on viewers, focus the video. Wow, you are amazing. Hey, are you focus master? Find 79. Wow, you are really focus master. Hey, find the odd number 1, 2. Hey genius, you found it? Hey legend, nobody can find 83. Come on legend, time is over. Hey genius, spot the number 59. Time is up. Hey genius, find the odd one out. Wow, amazing. Hey genius, check your observation skills. Hey genius, are you focused? Woohoo! Hey legend, can you find 2 and 3? Time is up. Only fast eyes can find 89. Time is over. Hey genius, check your eyes, find 45 within given time. Oh, amazing! Hey, genius, can you find it? 27? Hi, genius, you really found it? Next, medium level start. Hey, genius, test your observation skills. Come on, viewers, time is over. Hi, legend, find out 210 within 15 seconds. Hey, genius, you are really great. Hey, are you really Focus Master? Come on, Focus Master, are you ready? Time is up. Hey, genius, test your eyes, find the odd one out. Hey, my viewers is really intelligent. Your time is over. Hey, legend, find out 154 within given time. Hey, can you spot 813? Only fast eyes can find the odd one out. Hey, genius, you found it. Hey, genius, find the number 256. Wow, amazing! Only genius can find 208. Time is up. Hey, genius, check your IQ level. Hey, your IQ level is perfect. Come on, time is up. Hey, test your visual skills. Hey, are you ready? Come on! Hey, are you really genius? Hey, genius, anybody can find? Wow, amazing! Next hard level starts. Hey, anybody can find within 15 seconds? Time is over. Hey, genius, test your eyes. Hey, my viewers, is very hard work. Good job. Hi viewers, nobody can find. Come on legend, time is up. Hey viewers, are you really focus master? Hey, genius, can you find the odd number? Time is over. Check your eagle eyes. Wow, you got sharp eyes like an eagle. Hi viewers, test your brain. Hey, check your IQ level. Your IQ level is perfect. Come on, time is over. Hey genius, test your brain. Hey viewers, find the odd letter within 15 seconds. Come on genius, time is over. Hey viewers, test your observation skills. Wow, amazing! Hey, challenge your fast eyes. Your eyes are really fast. Come on, time is over. Hey genius, find the happy emoji. Mama Mayo, you are really good. Hey genius, find the odd one out within given time. Wow, you found it. Hey genius, find the number. Wow, amazing. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share score in comment box.